Bro, my neighbors really be playing drums at 10:30 at night. About to play my trumpet.
People are always like, yo, I'm your #1 subscriber, I love your video so much. Then why have you left a like yet? Why have you not left a like or subscribed? What's good, Jimmy? You're just gonna talk and not do the walk? Yo, I do want to say though, on my last video I talked about something that I really have never addressed on the videos, and the feedback has been absolutely incredible. I also announced the giveaway, and there was so many entries, so thank you guys so much. If you don't know about the giveaway, go watch the last video or go on my Instagram at RealDannyZ. But with that said, oh actually no, not even with that said, I gotta show you guys something else. What's good? As you can see, the windows up, it works. Everybody was like, yo, my G35 windows don't work either, my 350Z windows don't work either. Well, mine do work now. I don't know how. From this angle, this may kind of look like a normal car to you, but
Look at this mess. This is ridiculous. This is just...
And if you're wondering if I know how I'm gonna put this back, I honestly don't. If I go like this, you can see that there's the dash missing. This is my Copart Infiniti G35 we bought about 2 months ago. We had to redo the whole wiring. Now it's home. If you did not watch the last video, we brought it home. Today I'm gonna put the dash back. I am going to put the dash indeed back. I legit cannot find one single 10 mil. What?
You eating up the 10 mils, girl?
On the 10 mils, look at this, dude. One 10 mil.
Another 10. Oh my god.
I'm genuinely worried right now. I have no idea where to start. Absolutely no freaking idea. But okay, we're just gonna start. We're just gonna start putting everything back together. We should be good. We're gonna need a crap ton of zip ties. Oh, also, I just passed by my phone. Rough day on the market today, boys. If you're into stocks, you know that today it was a rough day. Portfolio is down like 30%, but you just gotta buy. Actually, don't listen to me. I have no idea what I'm talking about, but that's what I did. Bro, you're in a residential area. Like, are you good? But okay, so yeah, so right now I'm just kind of zip tying these plugs where they should be, because everything did used to have like a little, I guess you could say, clip. I had to snap off those clips to take everything off. But zip tying around the clips is gonna make everything better. Actually, this goes. Ah, that's not sweet. Yo, you know what's funny? I was just saying in the vlog, yo, who's that with the Mustang? Are you good? The camera right here. Pretty good. I like how it sounds.
Dude, also making fun of me. More.
Clusters out. Oh, by the way, I got something coming for this cluster. Actually, it's not even coming. It's here. So you guys already know what it is. It's gonna be so cool. Well, come on, bro. You're gonna break the windshield, dude.
What else will I use?
Start disconnecting. Huh? I disconnect everything because the dash goes over. Car's tuned, by the way. The key didn't want to work. It wasn't getting programmed. We had to tune the ECU para quitarle. Because when you tune it, you can turn it on with any key.
That's what I had to do. It's like that anti-thief.
Right, anti-thief, yeah. Where this light, instead of blinking, it stayed on. Oh, wait, something happened to you? Dude, we're best friends now. Dude, you broke it, dude? Bro, look at how sway, dude. He just broke it. Look at this. He just broke it. Never done this before, so it goes open. Ah, sheesh. This is for the AC ducts. If you guys have ever seen AC ducts, this is what they look like. Oh, wait, this is off. Where would this go? Like that? Oh yeah, and then the bolt goes right there. Nice. That's good? Yeah. Alright, so we just put the cluster back in. Dude, this is starting to look like an actual car. I was telling Josue how weird it is to see this car with sort of like an interior. We're not even done yet. We're like 60% there. And we're also, I think we're missing these plastics that come up here as well as down here. That's fine though. I probably left it at the shop. I gotta go there later either way. This thing goes here. Like that. Yo, this car. Ping, pum, pa. No, pon los bolts primero.
Yeah, I was trying to see.
Ow. Time to put the radio because we gotta listen to some Katy Perry, bro. Katy Perry's my spirit animal. It's not much like thinking, it's just connecting and putting back together. Oh, you can hear it. Okay, we're trying to see what works and what doesn't. And check this out. Look how the AC works. Look how good this is. So look, wait, hold on. Look at those little flaps. Okay, now you're gonna turn it on and look at the flaps. Wait for it. There you go. Oh, that's so cool. And now the AC comes out. I don't know what this is for. Everything seems to work. I don't know. Ow. Oh, we're not getting the hot or cold.
Probably because it's still cold, it's gotta go up.
No, but this was lit up and that isn't. So we figured something out. The coolant temp is working. It's just not lighting up, which honestly, I have to take this apart either way. So I was gonna say that. I won't worry about it too much today. As long as it's telling me the right coolant temp, we should be good. It sounds so aggressive, right? See, that's what a Mustang should sound like.
I got all this water on me like Fiji.
That sounds pretty good.
Whoop it. Blue cheese.
Alright, Josue's leaving. He doesn't want to help anymore, dude. He's just out. He just came for like 3 minutes and left. Nah, I'm just kidding. Huge help. I didn't know he was coming. I don't know if you guys remember, Josue's Mustang was very different when we did our versus against my 300ZX. So he can turn it on with this little switch. So oh, we gotta get that. We gotta get it back here. We gotta get back here. That's the coolest thing, dude. Sheesh. Oh man, that sounds mean. Yo, I'm going back inside. My neighbor's saving. Alright, back to work. Oh my gosh. Alright, quick break. Something that I didn't know, and probably a lot of YouTubers don't tell you, is when you buy a car from auction like I did, I gotta rebuild it myself, and when I'm done with that, to get the actual title for the car, the rebuilt title, you gotta fill out like 7 pages where I purchased the vehicle. Here it says, please continue to describe repairs made, and then it says a statement of builder. Dude, this looks like a pain. But yeah, you gotta tell them, write down the part number of everything you fixed, how you fixed it, I think even where you fixed it, and then you gotta send it out to the DMV, and they sent you out a temporary license plate, and then you can take it to the DMV, get it inspected, and then we get the title, boys. It's drivable. Before I even continue, oh shit, check this out. So if you look at this tail light, kind of looks good, but then you can see right there it is cracked. So guess what, we got a new tail light. Let's go. So it should be pretty quick. There's like 2 bolts here, maybe one of them in here. In Japan, people call these skylines. So if you really think about it, your boy Danny indeed owns a skyline. I'm just saying, like, if you look up Skyline G35 or something like that, and it is a skyline. So I mean, guys, you gotta step up your game. You look over here, there's no little crack, although there's like a little scratch, which is honestly my fault because I guess you could say I dropped it. Great junkyard find. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh dude, oh look at that booty, dude. I was just thinking about it the other day, and this is always what I've wanted to do. I've always wanted to get a car from Copart, rebuild it, and the fact that we did that, now we're into the modding phase, it's so cool. Remember when I said that we put everything back together but we couldn't find this plastic? One's right there, the other one's right here. Bam. Gotta put the AC ducts right here. Put the CD. One goes here, I'm guessing. This one goes here. And this one goes here. Bam. Oh, there's a CD in here? Navigation. Oh, navigation system. Oh, I almost forgot. So, 03 CU for sale. 03 little key nuts thingamajiggy for sale. And the thing that goes with it for sale as well. I'm like moving the whole dash. Nope, that's not going in. Alright, so with lots of pushing and hard hitting, we got her in. It's not, actually I think it's perfectly in, so. Actually, this is for that side. Let me get this side. Genuinely, what I love about this project and putting this car back together, back to its original price range, is that every single bolt is the same size. That's like the only plus side to doing this. It's like for like the little weather and stuff. Not the weather, but you know. So like my neighbors just got a drum set. Should I drum them with a trumpet? Trumpet gang, drum set gang. Dude, I gotta drum the trumpet. Hold on. Someone say band practice? Okay, as you guys can see, it's getting dark, but look at this, dude. This is honestly the coolest. I've done a lot of car things in the past 2-3 years that I've been doing this. Putting back a whole interior has to be, hands down, one of the coolest things I have ever done. Yo, this is sick. Wow. It got dark on me. I've been literally working on this forever. I'm genuinely tired. Okay, I want to show you guys something. And if you download this app, it literally tells you where Mars, yup, that's where Mars is right there. And you can actually see it. The camera's not gonna pick it up. Oh, look, a shooting star. Yo, there's no way. Oh my gosh. I gotta record this, hold on. Oh, you guys can see right there. Yeah, right there, right there. Can you guys see that, right? That is so cool. Dude, the coincidence that I'm recording and that happened. Wow, that's amazing. So, what we're about to do, extremely legal maybe, because maybe the car's not registered, maybe it doesn't have a license, maybe, just theoretically. Hypothetically. It's like it's not too loud. It sounds like pretty good. The fact that this is like a real car now and we're driving with full interior is insane. It paused a little bit. Hours of work, hours and hours and hours, and we did it. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Come around here. This is actually a 2020 car. Do you want to buy it? It used to cost $700, now it costs $20,000. Like, yes, obviously I still gotta fix the seat. I still gotta fix a few things like that. Here, let me grab the camera. Seat is honestly bad, but dude, I'm just like, look, it's actually a car now. And then we go back here and we got the back seats, and we also did the trunk as well. Another thing that kind of sucks is that the plastic up there is broken, but other than that, boys, wow, we hit the car's back to normal, which is absolutely just insane to see it like this. I've literally seen the car without a dash, no seats, no back seats, like a complete mess for the past like 2 months. Put a few things back here, but as you can see, I put all the things back. I did leave a few things at the shop as well, so I gotta go back and get the mat that actually goes back here. But pretty much that's it. Like, the car's kind of done, back to OEM. Feels good. So if you guys don't know, I talked to the previous owner and he said it was funny that he got a Nismo shift knob and it's an Infiniti. So in like memory of him, I'm gonna leave that on. I like that blue. New front bumper, new seats, definitely new paint job, definitely wheels. And it's just gonna be a clean looking G. It's not gonna be anything crazy. We do have new coilovers out the house. I just gave away another mod, but I believe this is like episode 6 or 7 on the series, so go ahead, watch the whole playlist. But yeah, that's Julie, the G35. We really fixed her up good today. It was a bunch of hours of work, but it was super exciting and calming. I forgot how nice it is to just work on the car and just like mind your own business, listen to something. It was awesome. Leave a big thumbs up, subscribe like always, and I love you guys so much. Hasta luego. He's gotta step up their game. Nice.